Hello from Finland.
Hi! So today we wanted to show you how we pack for a trip as a family. We have 1 pouch per hour of the trip, 1 bar. He likes really this. This is kind of muesli fruit bars for kids. Puffs, bags of raisins and apples, bag of oat milk for him, snack cup. We have this travel bib for him, wet bag pouch which we take into the airplane. So it has 2 compartments. In one compartment we have 2 diapers and then some small towels in case if we have an accident, and then there is a second compartment in this wet bag where I can put his wet clothes. Taking 6 diapers, 1 diaper per hour. Most probably he's gonna just use 2 diapers, but then again we have a couple of hours at the airport, plus minus. We're taking 2 iPads with us because they are a bit old and the battery runs out pretty fast. So we have 2 iPads and the external battery to charge it just in case, because you never know. If he really likes to watch what we prepared for him, we downloaded a few Netflix cartoons and shows. Let's see if he likes them. And we have kids headset which has this volume limit, so he cannot hurt his baby ears. That's basically the only toys we are taking with us, because we don't want to carry too much and we want to be exploring nature a lot more. Drawing set, there are a few pencils and just some paper to draw and a sharpener. Well, his water bottle and then his medical supply. He's quite healthy at the moment, but we always take a bit of ibuprofen with us and nose spray. Basically, this is all we're taking with us for the flight. And the next bag.
Our toys. So we start with the backpack where we pack everything. GoPro, which comes in a nice travel kit. The camera itself is here and all the accessories with this goes into the bag, which is very handy. So what we have this floaty handle, which is very nice when you go swimming. Battery chargers for it and an extra battery. These sticker parts, this soft case, and then we have this travel tripod handle thing, which is very handy. So it's easy to like film like this, and then when you need a tripod, you just open it up like that, and it's very handy. And then there is the external hard drive where we store everything, back up everything, and then is our laptop. And then our latest accessory for the GoPro is the Tech gimbal. It's very smooth, very nice. We tried it out, but we haven't filmed yet anything with it, so this is gonna be the test drive trip to see how it performs. Then we have the extension for the gimbal, accessories, chargers, cables, for the things we have, and yeah, that's about it, and we go for the next thing.
We have come up with our system of packing, which is very easy to pack, very easy to unpack at the destination, and just in general really handy. So we've got this kind of traveling pouches which is see-through. There is a mesh so you can see what is packed in there. Sebi's, this is Petri's, this is mine. This is all our shoes in these pouches. So when we are traveling, since we're traveling quite often, we try to go without any plastic bags or wrapping for our clothes and for our shoes. So we always try to get the pouches because it's easier, and you can wash the pouch in the washing machine. And these ones as well, if something gets dirty. Plus we have a wet bag. This is for the dirty clothes or wet clothes, which we can take with us. Clothing, and it stays nicely inside. And then while we are there, we usually use it as a beach bag. We'll put our towels and swimming suits in there. Then we always take our travel towels with us, rain jackets. We usually take a couple of books for Sebi. So this book is in Russian. There are lots of stories, like bedtime stories. and this one isn't finished. A woolen blanket in case he falls asleep in the carriage while we are walking around the town. Here we have all our medical supplies for the trip with us, a diaper bag for him. Again, this is for his naps and night sleeps, and that's all we're gonna pack in our suitcase. Next. So here is all our beauty stuff. I don't use any makeup, so there is no makeup products in here. 2 beauty bags have travel size shampoo and a conditioner. Daddy's taking his deodorant. This is trimmer. Separate sunscreen for Daddy because he is really easily burnt. A perfume. So for Sebi, we have his toothpaste, his toothbrush, children sunscreen, and that's about all. This is our with Petri toothbrushes, electric toothbrush and the toothpaste plus the charger for it. So I'm taking hairdryer just in case. A couple of brushes. I have my perfume, I have my deodorant, sunscreen for the face, rapeseed oil, nail file, scissors, and this is thread and needle just in case we need to fix something quickly. And that's all we have for the beauty stuff.
Thanks for watching. Please follow us on our trip.
Please like and subscribe. See you.
Bye.
Bye.